Hey guys, so I have another two for Tuesday for you. I'm going to share an Ipsy Glam bag opening and a recipe that is pretty darn delicious. So stay tuned.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
So we're going to start with the Ipsy bag, and then I'm going to just chit chat for a minute. Got this in you last week. Last Friday, I think? I don't know. Oh, already I feel a brush. Oh my goodness. Hey Vanessa, look. It's got lemons on it. Nice. Okay, let's get the card out because it's inside. Now in season, fresh spring beauty. All right. First up is a Firma Beauty 103 angled contour brush. You can actually get these. I will link up if it will tell me. If it tells me, this tells me. I will link up this particular company, and it is www.firmabeauty.com. And I really needed a new contour brush, so perfect timing. I'm gonna put you on pause for a second. Oh my goodness, my nose itched. Allergy season, guys. Jeesh. All right, I have my makeup done for the day. I just don't have lipstick on, so I'm hoping that there's some kind of lip product in here, and there probably isn't. Let's see what is next. Delectable Body Buttercream in Triple Citrus Blend. This is what it looks like. I love that pink color. When it comes to body moisturizer that smells delish, this brand hits the sweet spot. Its airy formula is infused with shea butter to nourish and repair dry skin, and antioxidant packed grapefruit, tangerine, and orange extracts to invigorate your senses and leave your skin glowing. Here's a tip. Did you know that citrus scents actually are great to energize you, to bring energy back to you? Anything you can get in a citrus scent, preferably tangerine, is one of the best. Let's see. Oh, there's probably a film on it. Yes. That is one thing I love, I guess because these bags are sent not in a box, a protective box. They're really good about putting the protective film on top. All right. That smells pretty awesome, actually. I'm scared I'm going to squish a whole bunch out. Let's see what it feels like. I'm really picky on lotion and how it feels. It's very thick, so that's great. Do I hear that? Oh my goodness. You have to really squeeze it out. Oh, but it is nice and thick. I don't like watery lotions and hand creams. Oh, that smells so good. It is very, yes, uplifting. Uplifting is a great word. Yes, I think I need to put that on my desk. Let's see. Guys, I have so many eyeliners. This is the Ico Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. It's in the travel size in carbon black. Let's just take a peek. So it's got a the brush on it is very soft, so it's pliable. So on my hand it's fine. It's getting it on my eyes, and I already have my eyeliner on for the day. I will definitely give that a review. And speaking of review, I have something to tell y'all. Let's see what the next thing is. Tarte. You guys know how much I love Tarte products. This is Double Duty Beauty. It is a base tape hydrating primer. This brand new primer is loaded with jojoba, never can say that, and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. Plus it helps your makeup look better and last longer. That I could use. I don't use a primer. I don't use a ton of product, period, on my hair or my face. And I just don't use primer. Maybe I should, maybe my makeup would last longer. And the last product is this Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadow in Geesberg. Let's see. You guys, I woke up this morning at 3 o'clock from a dream, and I just could not go back to sleep, and now I'm tired. And I can't, because I've got to edit this video and go to work. Well, it doesn't smudge when you rub it. That's a plus. Maybe a little, not a lot. Okay. I have one of these in like a white shimmery color. I actually use it for a highlighter, but this is in a very soft green, almost like a seafoam green. I don't know if you can see that very well. I don't know that it's a color I would use, but you know, we'll see. And that is it, my friends. That is what was in the Ipsy bag today. So of course you get 1, 2, 3, 4. It's always 5 products. And that brush, why it was loose, I don't know, because it does fit. Whatever. I'm half tempting to, I'll give it the rest of the year. I'm half tempted to cancel my Ipsy. I love the Birchbox so much, and the FabFitFun, but we'll see. I'll give it to the end of the year. But as you guys know, I kind of made an announcement in May that I was going to go to daily vlogging and just put all these kind of things in just a daily vlog instead of separate. But I think that's going to help a little bit, because then I can actually review these products for you as I use them. I am really bad about opening them, sharing them, and then kind of laying them to the side and forgetting about them until I open them again. And just last week, I went through all the Ipsy bags I had and separated different products into different bags so I know what is what. And so now it's time to start playing and reviewing those particular products. So that should be fun. So I'm going to give you a prelude into the next clips that you're going to see. Today is Tuesday. I'm filming this Tuesday morning. You guys are going to see this video Tuesday evening. But I filmed the chicken Caesar wraps yesterday. Except for I showed all the ingredients when they were done. I forgot to show the assembly part. So I did that this morning whenever I made my husband's lunch. It was easy just to whip out the camera and film it. So there you go. I will tell you that it's a delicious light meal. It's good for lunches. It's good for a light dinner on a hot day. It's good for a light dinner when you just don't want anything heavy. I don't know about you. I love Caesar salad. I love how simple it is, because it really is just romaine lettuce and Parmesan, Caesar dressing, croutons. I think that's it. Chicken if you want to throw chicken in. Oh, good. Sorry. Okay, that's it. So let's jump into that recipe. So chicken Caesar wraps is something that is very quick, very easy, and very tasty. And in our home, even when the boys were little, they liked these as well. On one of them, I think I left the dressing off, but now he is more adventurous and he likes all things. So, and I'm gonna flat out put this. Usually I would do this on the grill, but I am fixing to have to pick up the boys soon from spring football, and they're gonna be hungry. So I can start my chicken before I leave to go get them, and it'll be ready when I come home. I don't want to do that on the grill because, one, it's probably going to overcook, and two, I don't know how bad traffic will be getting around the loop. So I'm just going to kind of do it in the oven, and it'll be fine. So I am personally doing, this is 2.35 pounds of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I have a couple chicken breasts that I'm going to cut up a little bit smaller. In fact, if I was smart, I would just cut the chicken up, season it, and then do it in the oven where it's already ready to go. I think I'm going to do that. I don't usually do that, but I think I'm going to this time. I am going to use 2 packs of zesty Italian salad dressing mix. It doesn't matter what brand you use. I have one of each. I'm going to use both. Whatever. You're going to want romaine leaf lettuce to go into your wrap. Romaine is the chosen lettuce for Caesar salad. And this is kind of one of those things. Hold on, I forgot to get one more thing out. I forgot to get 2 things out because I like to jazz this up a little bit. But I'm going to have to find them in a second after I put you on pause, which I will just do. Hold on. Okay, I found them. I also pulled out some tomato. I know tomatoes are not usually used in Caesar salad, but in the wrap, sometimes a few slices of really thin sliced tomato tastes really fresh, and it just kind of brightens it up a little bit. You see some olive oil, this Ken's Steakhouse Creamy Caesar dressing. If you're not going to make your own, this is a great one to use. I also will be using a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, and I pulled out croutons to add into the wrap as well, because croutons and romaine leaf lettuce, that is like the star of Caesar salad. So, literally guys, that's all your ingredients. So I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil, the 2 seasoning packets with my chicken. I'm going to cut the chicken up and kind of smush all that together. Let it marinate for a little bit, and then I'm going to put it on a sheet pan. I will let it bake in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, maybe 25, until the chicken is really good and browned and just toasty goodness. And then I will show you it completely assembled whenever I assemble mine or I assemble the boys. So, let's get this chicken ready.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you.
Pretty simple, huh? So thank you for watching all the way to the end. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you can be reminded and notified the next time I post a video. I tend to post my videos between 7:30 and 8 o'clock. Let's say between 7 and 8 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. So it's something great to wind your day down with, or it's there for you in the morning whenever you have free time. With that, I say thanks for watching, especially to the end. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.